Page 259. Page 259. Good morning, 10th class students. Open your notes. See, we are doing mensuration chapter, 10th chapter, exercise 2, about combination of solids, surface areas. Surface areas of combination of solids. See, yesterday, problem, read the problem twice thrice. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either side. If the external diameter of the cylinder 1.4 meter and its length is 8 meter, then find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of 20 rupees per meter square. See, a storage tank consists of cylinder. In both ends, hemispheres are combined. Two hemispheres. This side, this is storage tank. We have to find its TSA for painting. Cylinder height given 1.4 meter and cylinder external diameter of the cylinder 1.4, diameter is 1.4 meter, height is 8 meter. Height of the cylinder is 8 meter. Find the cost of painting on outside. Yes. Total surface area of the storage tank. Total surface area. Total surface area of the storage tank. Storage tank is equal to tank is equal to 2 into CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. And next write the formula 2 into 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Taking 2 pi r common, 2 pi r common, here remains 2r plus h. 2 pi value 3.1 not given, so let us take 22 by 7 and radius 1.4, no, radius is 1.4 by 2, that is 0.7 meter. 0.8 of 0.7 2r 1.4 plus h8. Here 7 cancel, 0.1 remains 44. 2 into 22 44, 4.4 into 9.4. 22 into 44 into 0.1, so 4.4. 9.4 into 4.4, 4 the 60, 36, 137. 6, 7, 3. 6, 13, 8, 11, 4. Point, 2 decimals. 9.4 perfect. 41.36 meters square. Cost of painting. Cost of painting at 20 rupees. 20 rupees meter square is equal to 41.36 into 20. Multiply. 2 6 are 12, 6 1 7, 2 1 are 2 8. Decimals 2. So rupees 827.2. This much. No. Yes. Next, sixth problem. A sphere, a cylinder, and a cone have same radius and same height. Find the ratio of their volumes. First, sphere. Sixth question. A sphere. And next, a sphere, a cylinder. A cylinder of same diameter. D. Their height is diameter. Height is diameter. And a cone. Cone. R D. Height is D. Height is diameter. Oh, that is true. diameter 2r, diameter 2r, diameter 2r. He is asking ratio of volumes. This is sphere, this is cylinder, and this is core. He is asking volumes of ratio of volumes, ratio of volumes. Ratio of volumes is equal to, first one 4 by 3 pi r cube is to second cylinder pi r square h, and this is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here h is 2r. In this cylinder h is 2r. Here h also 2r. 4 by 3 pi r cube is to pi into r square into 2r is to 1 by 3 pi into r square into 2r. Here heights are equal. Heights are equal. That is diameter. Height of the sphere is diameter. Diameter is, we are converting into radii. Radii are 2r. Now see, first of all, cancel pi. Here r cube, here also r cube, r into r squared. Here also r into r squared. So we can cancel r cube. So now what are left here? See, 4 by 3, r cube also cancel. Only 4 by 3 left here. Here only 2 left here. Here also 2 by 3. By simplification, taking LCM, this is 4 is to 3 2s are 6 is to here 3 2. Denominator is 3, here nothing means 1. LCM 3. 3 2s are 6. By simplification, the ratio is 2 to the 2 3 is the 2 1. So this is the ratio of volumes. Ratio of volumes of sphere, cylinder, core. Note. Next question. Seventh question. A hemisphere is cut out from the one face of a cubical wooden block such that cubical, the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the diameter of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. See, you draw a cube. cube. From this cube, we scooped out, cut out a face wooden hemisphere. A hemisphere is removed from the space. Hemisphere block. A hemisphere is removed from one face. From one face, we remove hemisphere. Hemisphere. Here we remove the hemisphere from one face. Okay. See, we remove one hemisphere from one face. Remaining faces are, this is a cubical block, cubical wooden block, cubical wooden block. From this wooden block, from one face we removed one hemisphere of same side. Then the side of the cube is A. Side is A. Then diameter is A. Okay. So total surface area of remaining solid is equal to, see, from one face only we are removing one hemisphere, so remaining faces are 5. So 5a squared, area of 5 faces, there are totally 6 faces. From one face we are scooping this, we are removing this hemisphere. So area of 5 faces of cube of the cube plus CSA of hemisphere. Yes. 5 faces, each face is a square. So 5 area of 5 faces, 5a squared plus 2 pi r squared formula. 5a squared plus 2 into pi 22 by 7, you keep pi only, answer given, r a by 2 squared. Because here diameter is equal to a and r is equal to a by 2 units, a centimeters. Now simplify. 5a squared plus 2 pi a squared by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. A squared taking common. A squared taking common. Here remains 5. Here pi by 2. Square units. Square units. Like this. No. I spread this is how. This is next eighth question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid. Read the problem, draw the diagram. Seventh question. This is eighth question. From a cylindrical box, your article two hemispheres are removed. Two hemispheres are removed. Find the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. And radius of the base R. R is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Find the PSC. See, this is two hemispheres are removed. Two hemispheres are removed. Two hemispheres are removed. Okay. We have to find TSA of the remaining soil. These are the measurements. R is equal to 7/2 centimeter. Also we can write now. Let us find it. Here goes the clear. Total surface area of remaining solid remaining solid is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. CSA of the cylinder 2 pi r h and 2 into 2 pi r square. Substitute the values. 2 pi r common. Here h remains. 2 pi r common. 2 r remains. substitute the values, right? Two into I-22 by 7 into radius 7 by 2 into h value given 10 to 2 r 3.5 into 2 7. 2 cancel, 7 7 cancel, 22 into 17. 72 is 34, 34 is 7. Cm square. This is the area of remaining solid. Yes. See, we completed 10.2. These are all easy and important. Simply we have to learn, practice and substitute the values. Read the problem, draw diagram, read the problem twice, thrice. Then write the problem, draw the diagram and substitute the values, formulate, and you mark like this. Radius is this much, height is this much like this. You can also write in box. Examiner will impress, and h is equal to 10 centimeters like this. If you draw in box, the examiner will impress and give, he will award full marks. So please practice this exercise and complete it and show me afterwards. To be completed 10.2, I am explaining each problem on the board. You need not worry. Tomorrow 10.3. Today we completed only surface areas, and tomorrow volumes. Thank you.